Hello David, my name is Philip Rulo with Rultract, as you probably know. A couple of reasons as to why I am actually not able to provide a top post for your customer. Rultract stopped producing square tip bottom post about 5 years ago. All of our posts now have a spline tip. A lot of customers have existing square systems. However, in your customer's situation, the equipment, from what I'm able to ascertain, is 30 years old. If that's the case, you're going to not only have a very short bottom post, but you're also going to have a very short top post. If you have a very short top post, a very large customer, very thick mattress pads, which we do nowadays, you are not going to have enough height in order to get any elevation whatsoever or retraction using a Rultract with a Rultract. You do need additional height to do that. One of the reasons that we developed the newer system, first of all, it provides additional space for large patients in the shoulder area, and it also provides additional height over the chest. One of the reasons that we did that was to provide additional height for use with the Rultract. Now, if you're going to use a rotating extender bar and you feel that you have too much height, in most situations we don't, you can put your rotating extender bar on inverted and bring the retractor closer to the chest. The problem with this is, could you put a rotating extender bar on and gain additional height? Yes, if it were newer, but because it is so old, it doesn't have detents on the side. Why is that important? Well, when you put your rotating extender bar on, the pin in the extender bar, the pin goes into the detent on the side of the extender bar. If it cannot go into a detent because the detents are not there, it will not attach properly, securely, or safely. So this cannot be used with the Rultract extender bars. That is why the customer would need to purchase a new top post, because I don't have any square top post that I can give you, unfortunately. Therefore, I don't know where I would get one. So the customer would need to purchase a new spline bottom post clamp with a spline tip, and then the new spline top post, as well as a new clamp. So if you have any questions, and I'm sure you will, or if I can help you in any way, please email or call me tomorrow, and we'll do the best I can to help you figure it out. Thanks for your time. Have a good day.